Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Natia Wai if you're new here, and today I'll be introducing this everyday wig unit from UNice Hair Company. This is their new HD Real Scalp Lace Wig, and as you guys can see, it has this built-in wig cap underneath of the lace. The lace parting space on this one is 13x4 and the lace is HD. And it also has this upgraded drawstring elastic band as well, so you won't have to wear a wig cap underneath of it, y'all, because there's already one built into the cap. And you can also wear it completely glueless because the drawstring method in the back makes it fit tighter and more securely on any and all head sizes. So I just went ahead and tried this wig on right out of the box. And as you guys can see, the lace on this wig is so HD, okay? It's literally blending right in, and I didn't even do any tinting to the lace yet, or I didn't add any makeup on it or anything. This is just straight out of the box, and it looks amazing already. I will say I have reviewed one of their wigs with the built-in cap before, if you guys remember, but they definitely have upgraded since then. I feel like before you could kind of see the line of demarcation underneath, but it looks really seamless this time, so I'm impressed with this. So this wig does come with the tapes already added to the lace, so I'm just going to go ahead and use those to install it instead of gluing it down. As always, since I am wearing makeup, y'all, I'm just going ahead with my makeup wipes and I'm wipe off my makeup where I plan to stick the tapes down around the ear tab area. I will say, y'all, I really do love the quality of this wig so far. I love how I barely did anything to it, and right out of the box it looks so good already. So to my beginner girlies, this is it. This is one of those ones for sure. So as you guys can see, I did end up going back in and using some of my foundation powder and tinting that lace a little bit more. Even though I feel like I didn't have to, I did want that lace to look just seamless. And as you guys can see, it is blending perfectly, okay? I had to take out my phone, my other phone, and get some selfies of that lace because it just looks so good. When they say real scalp, that's what they mean. They mean real scalp. They did their thing with this wig. UNice. I love the upgraded features that you added to this wig. It is definitely giving this time around. So as you guys can see, I'm going in with my hot comb and I'm just making sure the top of that hair is nice and flat, along with around the edges, just smoothing out that hairline just that much more and fingering through the curls. This is a ready to go wig, so as you guys seen, it comes with the curls already in there for you. And I'm going ahead and parting it now so you guys can see that you can style this wig in other ways. It does have a lot of parting options. So whether you're in the mood for that bust down middle part or you want to try a side part, you can do that as well. I went ahead to the back of that wig and pulled that drawstring a little bit tighter just to make sure that that wig is fitting nice and securely on my head, because y'all know I did not glue this wig down. I just used the ear tabs, so I did want that extra security. I'm going in and adding a little bit of baby hairs, y'all, nothing crazy. I just kind of want to camouflage that lace in the front just a little bit since we did not glue it down in the front. I'm just using my edge control and adding a little bit of edges, a little bit of baby hairs around the front of that lace.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him. Adore him. He will give you everything.
So guys, like I said before, this is a ready to go wig, so it did come with the pre-curls. So I'm not going to do too much to this wig, but I would not be myself if I did not add a few layers right in the front of this wig. I'm not doing too much, y'all. I just kind of want the curls that they already added to the wig to fall into place. So I added a few layers just to the front of that hair, and then I'm going to take my flat irons and I'm going to recurl that very front part of the hair as well.
As I go down this road, can't keep going.
So once I'm done curling the front of that hair, I just went ahead with my Bio Silk oil, and just like always, I'm just adding a little bit of that to the hair to give it a little bit of a shine, and to also take away any flyaways that may have been in the hair, and just to smooth it out a little bit. And guys, this is pretty much the finished look. Y'all, this was one of the easiest wigs that I've done in a very long time. If I had to style this hair in a different way, it would probably be like this, like a really cute flip over look with no part. Like I showed you guys earlier in the video, it does have a lot of parting space, so I could do a side part too. I just love a side part, y'all, but I think this would be really cute, this like flip over no part look. It's just giving very effortless and very, very cute. Or you can just stick with the normal bust down look that the wig came with. Guys, this has to be one of my favorite wigs from UNice so far. If you are interested in purchasing this wig or any other wig from UNice Hair Company, I will make sure to list all their details down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and leave me some feedback down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.